Hi, and welcome to Part 6, Monitoring Your Opportunity Pipeline. Part of any effective system is the ability to view and analyze data. So now that we are recording our sales opportunities, we will want the ability to review that data on an opportunity pipeline report. This information allows us to redirect resources where needed and identify periods of time where we need contractors or beef up resources in other areas. It also allows us to monitor our sales team and how they are tracking with managing our opportunities. I will demonstrate how to build a pipeline breakdown report using Microsoft's Power BI. However, in the simplest explanation, the process of building a new report and getting it uploaded into Rapid Platform is this. Step 1. Initially, you will need to obtain your reporting user login details to Power BI. This allows you to log in and access your database. Please see your IT support person for these details. Step 2, we fetch the data that we are wanting to display on the report. Step 3, we build the report visuals. Step 4, we connect the data and the visuals together. Then I can show you how easy it is to upload that report into Rapid Platform. Great, so if I navigate over to Power BI, you will be able to see just a blank screen. This is the Power BI desktop app. So I have actually already created this report just as a sample. So I'll quickly show you what that looks like. So there's a fairly simple opportunity pipeline report, but I will quickly rebuild this and then explain a few things as we go. So just bear with me. Okay, so I've just quickly given the wallpaper some color, given it a title, and then dragged the elements on that I'm wanting to connect my data to. So you can start with the data, you can start with the visuals, it really doesn't matter, but the first two steps are get the data, build the visuals or build the report, and then you're connecting the data together. So the next step would be to go and fetch the data from the system that I'm needing. So I've already made the connection, which I can show you here. So if I edit this query, so this is a Microsoft server querying language code. So if you don't know how to do this, it's totally fine. Contact the support team. We can help you. We can help write the code and do some training around how to build reports. Then you can take it and do it yourself. There's many options, but essentially what I'm doing here is I'm connecting to my site's database. Building CRM 2 is our site, and I'm just selecting all of the different pieces of data. So the opportunity name, the account, estimated value, description. So these are all the data points or columns that we configured in our table, and now we have entered data into that. So I won't go into any more detail about that, but essentially we just go and fetch all of that data, which appears here. So I've got 8 opportunities in the system. So I'm just going to close and apply that. So essentially that is my data set that I'm going to use on my report. Now all I need to do is click on the different visuals and drag on the elements that I want. So on this table view, I want my, let's go, account, estimated close date, the industry, estimated month of close, opportunity manager, status, and opportunity name. So they're all the pieces of data that I think is relevant. I can drag them around. So I'll just go through and configure all of that, and then we can talk it through in a moment. Okay, so that is the first component or visual on the report that I've configured. So it's just a table view because I want a big list of all of the opportunities so I can look at them and use that to monitor and track certain things. The other thing I did was just give some conditional formatting to different statuses so I can quickly and easily see where things are at. Clicking this, I can group them so I can see all the presentation, the ones in negotiation, the qualified opportunities as well. So that's the first component. The next one, I'll just do these three quickly and we can chat. Okay, so that completes the building of the, sorry, my OCD is kicking in. Okay, so that completes just a quick build of an opportunity pipeline report. Let me just, sorry, bear with me. Okay, so that completes the build of the opportunity pipeline report. So as you can see, we've just got a title slide, a title component, then we have a table view, so we're able to see all the different opportunities in the system. I can see opportunities by salesperson. I can also click on those and filter the report to see different segments of the data. So opportunities by industry, construction, medical. So I can click through this visual and slice the data to see the relevant information. And the other one was opportunities by month. This order is a little bit out. I'd need to fix this obviously before going into production, but you get the point. So I can see there's 3 opportunities in February, July, there's 2, and then 1 in each of the other months as well. So just a nice example of how to use Power BI to present data in a nice and clean, simple, easy to understand manner. So you can monitor certain things, in this case, opportunities. So I'll quickly demonstrate to you how easy it is to grab this report and upload this into Rapid platform. So just as a side note, we at Rapid, we can build these things for you. So if you've got your own system and this is a little bit too overwhelming, you're comfortable doing the data tables and some of the pages and capturing all that data. If there's ideas for reports that you have, feel free to come to us and we can quote how much it would be to build something like this for whatever context or items that you have in mind. So feel free to reach out to us and we can discuss your needs. So what I'll just do quickly is just speed this up and show you how to do this. Essentially, I just save this as a file and then upload it into Rapid. It's extremely simple. So all I do is save as. Okay, so back in my own site. So I've downloaded that file and all I need to do now is just build a page where I'm going to store that report. So if I go to Pages and click Create, and then just call this Opportunity Pipeline Report. Did I spell it? Yes, that's fine. Create. Add a layout, and I want a Power BI report. Then I click Edit, create a workspace. Okay, there is our workspace. And all we need to do is upload a report here. So I go to my desktop, enter the report, upload. Okay, so there we go. We've uploaded that report and I'll just close, click save here. Then if I go to my Explorer sidebar, I can add a new item here. and just call this opportunity pipeline report. Okay, and there you can see the opportunity pipeline, the report that we created. Nice and clean, nice and simple, some nice colors. Obviously, all of that coloring and style can be changed, but this is now accessible in my site. I can click through and see what Jennifer's got going on in terms of opportunities, what Marcia is doing, and this will update as new opportunities come in. So if I add a new opportunity in here, let's just give it test and give it a manager of Kenneth, and let's just say create. Now, if I go back to that opportunity pipeline, you can see test exists there against Kenneth. So a nice, easy way to present data using Power BI. It is a little bit more complex, a little bit more advanced. However, we are here to help. But again, hopefully this gives you just some ideas around how you can use Power BI to improve your business. Join me in the next video where we will wrap up all of the building of a CRM and just have a look at it from start to finish. Thank you. I'll see you then.